Hello, everyone, and this is Reggie Williams with Appliance Fix Academy. And this video is something I do on a regular basis, and I'm doing Facebook stalking, I call it, where we're going through Facebook Marketplace and looking at machines that are for sale. So this video is for if you are you're looking to flip appliances, or you're just a retail a shopper that wants to buy something on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna try to show you what to look out for and it was worth taking the risk. Also, if you're interested in learning more about appliance flipping, click the link in the description. I do consultations and we have content. So here we go. Let's see what we have. So we're going to skip through the retail stores. We're looking for individual sellers. So look at the free catches your mind. So I'm here in a great state of Georgia, but this applies anywhere in the country. We got a Maytag dryer here. Says free. Oh, condition. See, this is the catch. Condition. So he put on here for free, but there's pricing on the side. So that's not going to deter us. Washer dryer set. So it's not very clear. So I'm not even sure if this is even the dryer for sale. It says washer and dryer, so this could be a little deceiving. So 250 for the set. If you are looking to buy this for your home, that's a good deal. If you're looking to flip it, it is not. That's going to eat up your profit margin. But they're easy to work on. Maytag, the dryer, dryer technology hasn't changed, so dryers are pretty much cookie color, especially the Whirlpool brand stuff. So this is a Maytag Centennial, beautiful looking set, cleans up very well if you are a flipper. Dryers are easy to fix. It doesn't say any information about if it's working or not. Then our washer, some issues with that particular washer is that they have all balance issues. They have tub spring issues, and also the center bushing gets worn out, which causes it off balance too. So look out for that. But as a flipper, I would have to pass on that one. Let's see. Scan, scan, scan. Let's check this out. $100, washer and dryer. So this is a LG top load washer and looks pretty good. Oh, okay. So that's the catch. It's not a matching set, which is okay if you're a flipper. If you are looking at purchases for yourself, if you don't care, I mean, to be honest with you, who shows off their laundry room, or if you buy a closed door curtain, who cares? High capacity dryer though, and you have a high capacity washer. So it's basically this is basically a version of a front load washer, but a top load. So that's a large capacity. LGs are pretty decent products when it comes to the washers. Some technician. I mean, if you ask a technician, there's no product that they won't call junk. Except Speed Queen. Everybody calls Speed Queen junk, but sometimes you have all balance issues with this particular washer. Sometimes the board goes bad. So you kind of got to know what you're buying. There's no such thing as hey, buy this one. There's no problems. That's also a red flag. So this is what he says in the description: a white washer, see-through lid. Okay, just kind of describing what it is. Doesn't say if it's working or not. Definitely would like to test this out if you are buying this for your home. If you're a flipper, the best thing to do is pull it out, look underneath it. There's access underneath. See if there's any dripping water, any brown marks, whether we're dripping water. Look for a crime scene on these particular when we're looking to purchase a washer. Dryer, I would take a bigger risk on the dryer because they're so easy to fix. There's a heating element, no problem. If it's a control board, and that's a problem. But dryers are pretty solid. Uh, and as a flipper, I would probably sell these separately. Sometimes it's difficult to sell matching sets if you do have to sell it at a discount. But this dryer in particular, you can probably get at least 250 for the dryer on the minimum. That washer, you can probably get also 250. So that's a $500 set. But to me, it'll be tough to sell for $500 if it's not matching. But individually, you can sell it, and also you'll get the reward of getting that removal of the old machine by selling them individually like that. So not bad, $100 for washer and dryer. Just verify with the seller that it's $100 for both. And let's try to look at one more. Let's look at a refrigerator. 650. That's a little strong. 9 strong. $45. Let's see. Home appliance repair. I stay behind every product. Yeah, but brother, you need to tell us more. Especially so as a flipper, this is a lesson too. The unit is outside, so that's kind of off-putting to retail buyers. Look like he washed it, so you got these streaks on here, which could again, people are going to overly criticize it. They're going to think it's damaged, but that's just water streaks from when he washed it. But it's outside. Then you have water stains on the ground. Again, not bad looks. Bad look for someone looking to buy it. I think it's about $45. I doubt it. It was $45. And this could just be a repair ad. So as a technician, that's a recipe for headache. People can call you, hey, I want that $45 refrigerator. So let's see. Quick look. 700. For a price up $50. So as a flipper, you want to buy it from a homeowner. Everything works, just doesn't get cold. My loss, your gain. Handles are included. So it doesn't say which section doesn't get cold. The whole thing doesn't get cold, then that's a red flag for maybe a compressor seal system issue. If it's just the refrigerator section not getting cold, that's actually probably the best one to get, because if the freezer is freezing, and they include pictures of it showing that it's frozen food, then most likely there's a ventilation issue where, because a lot of these, the freezer cools the fridge. And some when we have dual condensers where the refrigerator cools on its own, so that can be an issue too, maybe a defrost issue. But usually, as a flipper, those are the issues I will look to purchase it from for, because those are usually non-seal system issues, hopefully. But again, aesthetically, you can see scratches stuff all over it. Saying it still doesn't photograph very well. It may not have scratches on it. It could just be a picture. But again, people looking to buy this to purchase on their own, they're going to look at that and probably pass. They get the shelves out and everything. I'll just have a picture with the shelves in it. He probably took them out to clean it. And let's do one more real quick. Dash range 250. That's our reseller. Look at some broken stuff, man. That's usually the lower price stuff you'll see. That's the store, obviously. Let me lower the price range. Let's see. $100 on here. The $45 one. Refrigerator, $45, $50, refrigerator sale. Free fridge, that's in a house. Looks like that's the stuff. Okay. Does not get cold. So again, what doesn't get cold? But it's a Whirlpool, which is a strong brand to buy. You find out what doesn't get cold and implement what I said. But this is nice. Good photos in the house. So that means the individual just probably has somebody come out and look at it and decided it's going to replace it. Let's see what else we got. One more. It's a dishwasher, $50. It's not in good shape, but needs to be fixed. We are not sure what's wrong with it. Oh, some description will help, but $50, stainless steel. Looks good. It's got a plastic tub, so that wouldn't be worth it. If I'm gonna get a used one, I'm gonna get one in stainless steel with all the bells and whistles. So let's leave it there. Oh, hang on. I can't help it. All right. Used but works well. These are tanks. Only thing is they have a lot of cosmetic issues. This is a Frigidaire set. These are a staple for flippers. It's still good condition, but usually that dryer, that control panel, these are in good condition. Usually that control panel is all raggedy and broke because it's all plastic, especially if you've been working a lot. People break the tabs and stuff. That the door handles usually break off. But this one is in really good condition. I would actually buy it. It's very rare you have a tub out of balance on these two. So usually tub issues are a problem for a lot of these front loaders. But it looks like it's in great condition. This is definitely a buy. Love the fact you have access panel here. I believe that is the washer. You have the washer, so you access the drain pump. Nice little set. If you're on a budget, $100, that's a good buy. If you're flipping, you can definitely sell this set by $300-400. So old set, but it's oldie but goodie. All right, but I would definitely check the control boards. Control boards on the dryer and a washer seems to go bad, but usually when I see that, they're machines that's been in rough condition. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look in the description below if you're interested in a consultation on becoming a flipper and add extra income to your household. This is Reggie with Appliance Fix Academy. See you in the next video.